Life in hills. Life in hills can be very different from life in other regions. The hills are often characterized by their natural beauty, fresh air, and peaceful surroundings. Depending on the hill region, people may engage in agriculture, livestock rearing, or other economic activities like tourism. The lifestyle in hill regions is often more traditional and simple, with a closer connection to nature and the land. In some cases, the mountainous terrain can also pose challenges. Such as limited access to infrastructure, transportation, and healthcare facilities. People living in hill regions may face difficulties in accessing basic services, especially during harsh weather conditions. Despite these challenges, life in hills can be very fulfilling for those who enjoy a more tranquil and nature-oriented lifestyle. It offers an opportunity to disconnect from the fast-paced urban life and enjoy the serenity and simplicity of the countryside. This was a small information about hills life. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.